Xbox.
Hi, this is Roscoe with Parts People. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the DC jack on a Latitude E6220. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this 5% discount coupon. Slide the latches over and remove the battery. Remove the SD card blank. Remove the express card blank. Loosen the screw. Remove the access door. Remove the hard drive screws. Remove the hard drive. Unplug and loosen the cable. Unplug the Bluetooth cable. Remove the screw. Remove the Bluetooth card. Unplug and loosen the cable. Loosen the screws. Remove the speakers. Unplug the cables. Remove the screws. Remove the bottom base. Unplug the DC jack. Remove the DC jack. Are you looking for some more tutorials? Check out these other videos. If you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out partspeople.com where we have hundreds of tutorials and hundreds of thousands of parts. Thank you for using Parts People for your video tutorials.